Today we are going to make a delicious marinara sauce that is keto friendly. You guys, look at this sauce. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. And we can use it for our low carb keto friendly pasta and keto friendly recipes. I'm going to use mine for chicken parmesan. Now these are all the ingredients that you will need to make this delicious sauce. I want to start with prepping everything so that when I go to the stovetop, all I need to do is add all the ingredients. And we're going to start with chopping up some onions. Chop them up real fine because you don't want any big chunks in your sauce. And I used about a quarter cup for the purposes of my sauce. Set this aside, and now we're going to mince some garlic. And depending how much you love garlic, you can use 3 to 4 cloves. And I minced this garlic using a garlic press that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Guys, I tell you, this recipe is super easy to make and oh, so delicious. I was really impressed. Next, I am going to crush 2 small containers of tomatoes. And of course, if you want, you can use canned tomatoes. Now this is ready as well. Bring everything to the stove top and put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a preheated pan. And the first thing, oh, and then also we're going to add some butter too, just to add some additional flavor. Now, the first thing that we're going to add to this is the garlic. Give that a stir. And then next we're going to add those onions. And we're going to let both of these cook until they are translucent. Next, we're going to add those tomatoes. And guys, when I was putting this together, oh my gosh, did it smell so good. Stir well until all the ingredients are well incorporated. And for my seasoning, I actually use an Italian seasoning. And then you put in the amount that you want to taste. And my total cook time for this was about ½ hour. So about after 10 minutes, this is what the sauce is looking like. It is hot and it is bubbly. Just want to make sure that the heat is down low so it can simmer and incorporate all the goodness of those herbs. And this is what it looks like when you take it off the stovetop. So delicious, guys. Get ready to add this to one of your favorite Italian dishes. Oh, so good.